Is mangrove restoration being commercialized in Kenya? Mangrove restoration is booming along the Kenyan coast. Every year, millions are poured into planting drives. Corporates are chasing ESG targets, and some individuals are even chasing world records. But along the coast, something else is happening. Seedling nurseries are everywhere, and scientists are now asking, is this restoration or business?
Watu wengine wameichukulia kama biashara. Ukitembea ufuoni utapata kila mtu ana nasari yake. Sasa sijui ni siku gani ilikuja semekana kwamba tunafungua soko ya kuuza miche ya mikoko. Kama haitaweza kumea yenyewe, kwa kimombo tunasema natural regeneration. Kama hiyo natural regeneration haitaweza kutokea, ndio pengine ufikirie kupanda. Mbona mikokoni ndio tunaweka hii nasari mingi ambao hatujui hata miche tunaipeleka wapi, ili hali maeneo ya terrestrial hatufanyi the same thing, lakini hiyo miche hivyo hivyo tunahitaji.
The United Nations Decade of Ocean Science for Sustainable Development has placed mangrove restoration at the heart of protecting our oceans by 2030. But the reality in Kenya tells a different story. Experts say nearly 80% of mangrove restoration projects fail.
Research shows that up to 80% of mangrove planting initiatives fail when ecological conditions such as tidal flow, soil characteristics, and site stability are not properly assessed. Although mangrove planting restoration efforts have expanded across coastal areas, many have not achieved the intended ecological outcomes. A key challenge is the widespread misconception that mangrove restoration simply involves planting trees.
Mangroves are not just trees.
Manake ekolojia ya maeneo ya mikoko ni tofauti na maeneo ya bara. Kwa hivyo inakuwa ni bora zaidi kuzingatia urejeshi, tukifuatilia njia ya ekolojia na kuhusisha jamii katika urejeshi, ile mbinu ambayo tunaita community based ecological mangrove restoration. Manake hii ni mbinu ambayo tumeona iko na umuhimu zaidi na iko na success mingi zaidi zenye tunaweza kushuhudia katika maeneo yetu ya mikoko kulinganisha na vile hali watu walikuwa wanarejesha mikoko hapo zamani.
First, do assessment of the site, identify the degradation causes, the drivers of degradation, work with community, understand which restoration is needed for that specific site. Is it hydrology? Is it assisted planting? Or is it even just working with community and identifying the needs and the reason for this degradation that is happening?
Without this understanding, planting campaigns can turn into mangrove graveyards. So what works? One approach is the community-based ecological mangrove restoration, or CBEMR. Instead of planting, it restores natural conditions, allowing mangroves to grow back on their own. And there is hope. Kenya has introduced the National Mangrove Restoration Guidelines to correct past mistakes. Experts say real success will depend on working with science institutions and local communities, because mangroves are not just trees, they are ecosystems, and if restored the right way, they can protect coastlines, store carbon, and support livelihoods for generations.